Hello, everyone. Caroline here again. We're going to be talking a little bit more about that exclusive kit called the Immune System Support Kit. And this kit can only be purchased through the Loyalty Rewards program. It's kind of for the perk of having that wholesale membership. You got the discount. Plus, now we're going to bundle some special oils together, and you're going to get a further discount. So all these products in the immune system support kit are obviously oils that help with immune system support. So today we're going to talk about the Breathe that is found in that particular kit. So we know that Breathe is one of our most popular oil blends. It's called the Respiratory Blend. It's one of the best-selling oils there. And it has 8 essential oils included in the blend. So we have laurel leaf, we have peppermint, we have eucalyptus, we have tea tree oil, lemon, cardamom, raven sarva, and raven sarva. And these are amazing oils that will help support the respiratory system. Particularly eucalyptus and peppermint are particular because they have the high menthol concentrate to help relieve discomfort in the respiratory system. So all of these are going to help with that. We really want to help the wintertime, especially as we're maybe having trouble breathing, got a lot of drainage going on, when we have those seasonal threats that are irritating our lungs. We want to take care of that as well. So Breathe is found in many different forms. It's found in the 15 ml. It's also found on the Breathe stick, which my kids lovingly call the glue stick, because it just makes it super easy to be able to apply it on your chest when you need to. It also has Breathe drops, and of course you have it in the Breathe touch form as well. So this one is a great oil to use aromatically and topically, so you can diffuse it in your bedrooms, in your offices, where kids are playing, to help support that breathing as well. You can also in your bedrooms before you go to sleep. So if you know of somebody that maybe is a little bit louder when they sleep at night, or maybe the congestion's building up, this is a really good oil that you can use topically to help out with that. And the only way that you could take Breathe internally is that those throat drops that are designed, so they're a little bit different than the Breathe oil itself, but that's going to be oils that are going to help with your respiratory, that are safe for internal use. So just note that you have that. And I would just say when threats are high, when you're having difficulty breathing, putting it in your diffuser is an excellent way. Applying it to your chest using some fractionated coconut oil can be very beneficial to help with it. But I think this is an oil that we all know we need to have on stock, in hand during the winter times, so that when things get a little bit tough on our respiratory system, we have something that will help soothe and help with the irritations that might occur. So with that, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.